Welcome to SVX Online. We're going to break down a nice little movement mantra for you. So we have this Oshun gesture. She's reveling in her beauty, enjoying herself. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha, 2, 2, 3, 4. Ha, 3, 2, 3, 4, and a yeah. 2, 3, 4. Our next movement, we want to think about pushing the torso out. We open and close. Open, daddy. Yeah, daddy. Da, daddy. Yeah, daddy. Daddy. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, daddy. Daddy. Okay? So you have your Oshun 4 times. Daddy. Da-da. Then open and open and open 4 times. We'll do it. Then we get our little Harlem shake. Goo-goo-doom, goo-goo-da, da-ga-dee, da-ga-da, goo-ga, da-da, ba-ba-ba. You just want to let that go, and you can play all around with that. We're going to do that for 8 counts when we do this dancing mantra. Dee, da, da, ga-ga-dee, da, da, ga-ga-dee, da, da, ga-ga-dee, da, da, da-dee, da-da, ya, da-da, da-dee, da-da, Harlem shake and bake. Ba-ga-doom, ba-ga-dee, ga-ga-dee, ga-ga-da. Okay, our final movement in this movement mantra is this little knee knock. So it's building, and then you let it get in there so you can go, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You make it as big as you want. Now we're gonna do it all with music, and when you practice on your own, try doing it in the 4 directions so that you do one whole set, another one, and another one, and then allow yourself to get free.